In this video, I'll show you how to name your zones from the Carina Cloud portal. I am logged into my Carina portal and I've clicked on My Site, and I can see my site alerts, site info, and my zones. They are now labeled 1 through 19. Now I'm going to go over to my Event Manager to show you that it says the same thing. So from the Carina Event Manager, I can click on zones and I can see all the zones are labeled 1 through 19. Instead of naming them from the Carina Event Manager, we're going to rename these zones in the Carina Cloud portal. I went to My Site, then I went to Zones, and then I'm going to rename Zone 1 High School, and then I'm going to click Save, and then I'm going to rename Zone 2 Middle School, and I'm going to click Save, and I'm going to click Apply Changes. And then in a few moments, when you go back to your local event manager, you'll see that the zones have been renamed High School and Middle School from the Carina Cloud portal.